Then I have some other names. XPEV. It's earnings play. It's on my watch. Look at the bounce coming in on XPEV right now. 85. The 85 bounce. Let me see real quick here. 15. So we do have these areas of support and resistance. Seems like we're testing the first area of 85 bucks. This is, I would say, it's going to be a support one, and they're piling right now, as you can see, around 35 for support one. If we're going to lose 35, most likely it's going to go test my entry. This is my entry, 33, 39. This is my stop. I'm very, very bullish on this name, like any other electric car names. So this is a hot sector right now, and we got to be paying attention to hot sectors, and disregard majority of them stuff. So watching NIO, PDD, XPEV. Guess what's the next name? It's LI. Watching LI. Look at the LI. Glance on the 15-minute. So this is the area where I was buying 24.86 yesterday. Now we're coming and putting a little bit of consolidation. So either around some minor level, 26.22. So if we're going to lose 26.22, most likely we will feel this to the downside towards 25.36-ish. But we entering into the area when we don't have a lot of resistance from the prior days. So I would say we can easily run towards 28-ish, maybe even 30 bucks.
18,000 there at number 4, Helsinki, Milan, Zitra in Germany as well, 18,000. Top 5 there.
Momo, thanks, bro. So LI is on my watch, guys. I do like this. I might be adding to my swings, or might be day trading today. I don't know. Let's see. Especially on those names, they look really, really nice. All right, so 2 more spots I have here, and let me check real quick. PLTR maybe, and thinking about PLTR maybe, guys. Let me see, PLTR. It's been in play. I do like PLTR. It is actually pulling this trigger towards 16 right now. See, we might provide some support around 16-ish on PLTR. Let's see, remove this black line. So 16-ish is going to be interesting level, 1580. But also slightly overextended. I want to see a little bit of pullbacks on this name. So yeah, I'll be watching PLTR since I didn't watch the past days, and this name was actually decently clean. And gotta pick one more name. Let me see, VRM. Between VRM, Fosso, it's testing $7 right now. Probably not Fosso. Gonna drop it off this. GRVG, watch out, GRVG. I think they reported right now. Could be interesting. Got a little bit of resistance right here, but that's all shorts piled under the name. So we'll see what's gonna happen. And I'm thinking about putting plug on a list. It's been trading nicely too. Has a range. Yeah. Let me remove these names. BRM. Got earnings. All right, so I'm watching plug. Guys. And the reason also plug, it's a battery also related to electric cars. Watching PD, you got earnings. I'm watching XPEF, NIO, POTR, and LI. I think that's a pretty decent list. There are a few back burners, which is GRVG, and I think GRVG is somehow related to electric cars. I think it is, but let me see real quick. No, it's a home improvement. It's totally different name. I think the conference call is at 9 a.m. So be aware of that. It's a little bit crazy. You got a 37 million float on GRVG, so could be a crazy name, guys. And that's it. So that's probably it for me for the watch list. I need to delete it. VXRT. Just gonna glance one more time. I do like VXRT, guys. I do like VXRT. Once we're gonna clear this consolidation, I would say start clearing right now. I think this one can easily squeeze back towards 7 and 8, like in the past history we did. We have a lot of volume right now on VXRT. Stock in play. Does look interesting. You got some shorts on it, 26 million. That's a pretty big percentage. Not a highly popular stock between institutions, but it has some potential here. All right, so I'm sitting pretty good on my swings. Let me see, LI. None of them, I mean, kind of disappointing about XPEF pulling down. It almost hit my free R. So this one, it's at my, almost hitting my first target. So I'm going to wait for LI. I'm going to wait for XPEF. And honestly, these are swings not for holding 1 day or 2 days. We already have a bounce. We already have a direction. Now we just have to be patient and wait for the setup to play it out. It can pull and retest. It can do whatever it can do. And sometimes we just have to stick to our stops unless you see a strong change in the market and strong change in a stock. Something is changing. So overall, to target 28 and some change. The one stock is just doesn't work for me as of right now. Two actually names kind of. Oh yeah, Starbucks. I took a swing on Starbucks. It's gapping down right now. My stop is 93. This is too much of a steep of a line, as you can see, for this name. Grinding like this, breaking this deep trend line. But we do have support underneath right now, 94-ish, and then 93. If we're going to lose 93, most likely it's going to fill the gap, and it's going to be a short swing setup. For the breakdown of 93, we're shorting all the way down towards $90. So this is a pretty nice setup. Now we're playing the bounce of the window, of the test of the window, buying on the second day, close of the day. But if it's not going to work out, I'll be playing short the gap break to the downside, and then potentially target 90, 65, and then looking for the bounce from there to the upside. Name is still strong, you know. Holidays coming in, people are going to drink more and more coffee, especially in the United States because it's cold and stuff like that, and holiday, you know, all of this Christmas, whatever they call them, lattes and latte and stuff like that. Yeah, that's it. That's my list, guys. Let's see, what are you watching? What's your watch list, guys? In a watch list section, FYI, don't forget to reserve your place in Zoom for our upcoming class. We'll be going over SEC filings, especially this is going to be helpful for those who like to trade low floats, sketchy companies, because you have to look at financials 100%. You can't trade without looking at financials, because if you start trading all of those low float names, and then if those guys have some potential offerings sitting offshore in a shell and you don't know it, they can drop it anywhere at the market, ATM that's called. So you don't want to be in that position when stock just dumps 50% on you in the middle of the day and flying through your stop and getting holded and stuff like that. All right, so my watch is Plag, PDD. I'm gonna type here new POTR, LI. So workhorse, I also might back down on workhorse. Don't see the squeeze coming in. Maybe it's gonna take a little bit longer. I like the daily on workhorse, but there's no squeeze yet. All right, so what am I having here? Plug, PDD, Neo, POTR, XPF. Boom. Looking good. Looking good. Today, Thursday. We'll see. PF still pulling down. Gonna do back to 35 here. Market. SPY looking weaker for potential rollover. Could be a choppy day, kind of a ranging day based on the market, but we'll see. If we play this independent names with catalysts, they can give us an edge, and it can trade against the market. Speaking of, BABA is also on a move. I think it's keep gapping down. All right. A nice actually looking stock too. CELH. It's a very nice squeeze on this name. Let me see what is that. CELH. It's a lower flow, 28 million, about 4 million shorts. CELH. About 14% shorted. It's a beverage, non-alcoholic company. Earnings call. Let me see. See anything. I think it's the earnings name. Yeah, this is going to be interesting for a runner today. Look at the prior history, what they've done. And it's definitely pumped stock. Just put it another stage right now, gapping up higher. It's an earnings play, but I don't see any earnings on this name. Could be something here for the low flow team. 28 million flow, guys. I do like multi-day week breakout potentially here on this name. Stock Hunter, can you mute your mic? Thanks. So I'm mute on my end. Yeah, but I already picked my stocks on watch. The one I like it. Keep this on the back burner. Put it here for later. CELH. All right. So JD is moving higher. Let's see what it's gonna do. It was at my target just now. I'm gonna wait. Like I said, I don't like getting out of stocks pre-market on my swings. I've done that before. When you wake up in the morning, you're like, oh my god, this is so up. You get out, the stock fades. Yeah, but then actually pre-market, it's sometimes just that doesn't mean anything. What stock does pre-market, it very often it doesn't reflect what it's going to do during the day. So, and the stock is gapping up higher for a reason. Stock is in play. It's a nice daily setup, candle over candle, very bullish setup here. And I think JD has all chances today break this 86, 80, and 88. 88 is a pre-market high, so, and that's my target. And I'll get out at 1 hour and some change. Let's see who's watching what. Lehman, I was speaking of LMND. I think it was on earnings yesterday, I believe. Something. It's an insurance company, right? LMND made a gap down yesterday, sell off. Fresh IPO. So does look interesting. The volume came in finally 2.7 million. Usually it doesn't have. Well, it's on a 1 million shares per day. What is your idea? Lockup expires today. Okay. Earnings beat, but selling off. I see. Lift. I do like lift for a drop below this levels, guys. This is a swing setup. This could be interesting, actually. Lift. We can fill this window easily. So kind of like target here, get target here. So first, potentially support gonna come in here. This is the second support. But once we're gonna start losing 35.10-ish, let's check it out. L2, 35-ish. Yeah, we have orders on L2 on the beat, but nothing big. I'll put it lift here. I see people watch lift. Naveen, some other people. And this is my swing setup, both long and short. If we're going to start bouncing here, and we might start pushing higher. If we're going to lose this level, most likely we're going to fill the gap. There's no resistance in a near day. Yeah, you got resistance from those days, but I don't think so. It's in play anymore. And Workhorse, they got to pull the, they got to pull it. They gotta pull the trigger here. My stop is way at 1645. I'm way far away from my stop. And I'm gonna be watching this. I do like this range, like Naveen just mentioned, the tight consolidation at the key daily level. Exactly. You got a daily level, the prior level, We consolidated here and there. They tightened it up. They made a fake breakout. It's very important that they do this fake breakout. Also, we watched some name yesterday. I forget the ticker. I also put it fake breakout, and we have to watch this name like SPWR, right? What is that? Right here, you see, or like right here, for example, you did a fake breakout over this and then pull back, but then squeeze. So even a fake move to the downside, they shake out before the move starts. It happens very often. So this calls a closest retest, how quickly they retest. So they retested the low real quick on the next day and immediately push higher. So completely bullish, completely giving us idea that's a strong limit player holding these levels and they're piling up and squeezing price higher. So if Workhorse gonna play the same scenario, that would be nice. The squeeze could be pretty good here. I think 2260s, 50s right here could be my target. Again, not aiming for a lot. 1 hour and some change on most names. All right, NEO pushing higher, looking good. POTR pushing higher. So as you can see, XPEF seems like finding 35 as interesting zone, exactly what we mentioned on 35ish, the prior level. So watch 35 as a potential bounce if we ever gonna go to this area. Definitely 35, 36, 50, and then we're gonna squeeze higher. I think it's gonna be an interesting name. I'm aiming this actually, even for higher levels. Fresh IPO, we had a lot of consolidation. As you can see, it took us 2 months of consolidation before the push. Yes, people trimming some from these levels right here, but then pullback, 9 AMA hold, and then that was the reason I was buying. 9 AMA hold, green candle, decent volume. It does look like it wants to bounce. Stop is right here, 9 AMA for me. All right, guys, we have a few minutes till the open. Be in your zone, be in a trading zone, be in your focus zone. Take a big breath, tune in the noise, and focus. Have a laser focus. So let the preparation guide you. If you don't have a prep, how are you trading? So let the preparation guide you. Have a plan, trade a plan, guys, based on your preparation. So mental preparation is a big one. And then you got pre-trade preparation when you do your analysis. And now, before you enter the trade, you have to do another pre-trade checklist, kind of like based on your playbook. And then you got to do trade management. And then you got to close on your mental state when you're getting out of your trade. And it's kind of like a circle. Repeat and repeat all of these steps. So have a laser focus, okay? Be patient, be committed, and have faith in yourself. PDD looking interesting. Holding this high right now. You got 23% gap up on this name. I do like this potential breakout, 140, kind of establishing level there. See what we're gonna do there. Okay, I got squeeze and Neo. I don't know, man. Neo freaking can put $50 today, or tomorrow, or this week. Feel like. All right, Neo slightly. This is the pre-market level coming in right now, around 44. 44.30. You can see we had some pre-market consolidation. So we're entering a bullish channel right now. As you can see below this level, it's a short channel. Now we're entering bullish channel. A little bit of squeeze on Neo, looking juicy. Let's see what's gonna happen. A few 1 minute till the open, guys. Be smart. So I'm watching PDD. Neo is just going bananas. Crazy. XPF also coming to a level right now. Got LI guys with volume testing the high here, 27.25. POTR pushing POTR, a lot of volume. Watch out, POTR. It's another leg up. POTR seems like. All right, Qs and SPY pushing higher as of right now. But let's see what's gonna happen. XPF, the volume came in, guys. XPF, they buying on the low. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Spread about 10, 20 cents at times. It's interesting. Neo is also putting, guys, candle over candle. Telling you, Neo's potential breakout coming in right now. We don't have any resistance over 45. This can run pretty big. Neo can run pretty big, guys. LI, you got your squeeze LI. Looking very juicy. POTR reject. Interesting. Let's see what's gonna happen. Volatility definitely is here. Many names. PDD pulling down. Same with POTR. Neo, the volume came in on Neo. Guys, Neo looking for the breakout, 45. Watch out, Neo. I think Neo is going today to our target. Very nice looking stock. Can Neo put $50 today? Woo! Yeah, I think Neo is gonna freaking do this today, guys. LI was also very strong. Neo $50 at some point. All right, so LI, real quick. It's also looking strong. I'm gonna leave LI in play. See what it's gonna do. XPF guys, XPF long. Let's see if I can pile in on this name. It's so fast, guys. I missed the entry on XPF. Hope you guys took it. Gotta be real quick. But I mean on a swing, so can't complain with that. Let's see, watching for XPF to settle down a little bit, provide a pullback here. My target is right there. I think XPF is gonna be today. It's LI XPF, not NEO. It's just bananas, guys. Watch out NEO for the breakout. I'm thinking about putting NEO position. Another ad on NEO. Come on, man. Can't even pull back here. The low volume coming in here for the breakout. So we're making a new high on NEO. But be aware, it's only 5 minutes we open. Don't have a FOMO like, oh man, I missed it. Yeah, if you missed it, you missed it. It's good. Lesson learned. Adjust and move on. But yeah, XPF, you got LI, they all grinding. I do like all of these names. NEO is my favorite. Let's see if we can put a position on NEO, add to my swing. So I really want to see the pullback back to 44.80 on this name, but it's freaking not pulling. It's not pulling as of right now. So $45 seems very juicy. So now we came into this. You can see resistance. So I'm looking into the $45. Let's see, 45.20, 45.30. So with a little bit of battle between 45-ish, 20 and 30. Looking interesting. XPF pulling down to 36.50. That could be area of a bounce. All right, so NEO coming to 45. Dipping down below 45. Okay, it looks weak so far. The market kind of looks like it wants to sell. But I don't trust anything, with this volatility. So looking into the bounce, guys, on NEO 45. So I'll put it on another lot. Risk is way below 44. So XPF is also interesting, guys. We have direction on all of these names already established. LI, NEO. So LI does look interesting too. We just have to see what is going to happen. How they're going to hold these levels. I do like a hold on XPF 37, guys. If you got in on a bounce, you're golden. Let's see what's going to happen. NEO. Also, we can add on a breakout on these names. LI does look interesting as well. 27, 28, 36. I think today this stuff can be very, very hard for continuation of move higher. I mean, the breakout, the touches. NEO is already making a new high. So XPF and LI gotta pull the trigger here too. Far it's not there yet. All right, hold on. Okay, what are we doing? Consolidating here on Neo. PDD, guys. PDD looking interesting. They stepping buying in. Looks like PDD. I like PDD 135. Let's see the spread. I'm long PDD. Stop the low of the day. Target high 140. Unless this guy's gonna pull the trigger for the breakdown. I like PDD for the breakout. I was buying into the VWAP. So let's see what's gonna happen. I see the volume coming in. I do like wigs on a 5-minute for another leg up. Market pushing high. This guy's got to pull the trigger and start breaking the levels here. So, and once we're going to break this wedge forming to the upside, if we're going to break to the upside, wait for the pullback unless we're going to test it to the low now. So, see what's going to happen. Slightly overextended. So we want to see them stepping up the game and price going above VWAP again. So far it looks weak. Far we look weak. Yeah, I'm gonna bail. Come on, don't stop me. I want to bail on a pop. So this can be a short, guys. This can be a short for the breakdown. Breaking the wedge, POTR. I just subbed out. This could be a short. If the pattern doesn't work one way, so you can play that way. Neo, far it's okay. XPEF still consolidating. LI. Okay, let's see what's going to happen with PDD. Super sensitive popping here and there. All right, I don't like this pullback on LI too much. All right, PDD setting up really nicely, guys. Short. Did anyone take short on PDD? Let's see if we can pull back and test real quick here the 9 AMA. I wanna jump in on short here, but I can't just be entering here. You want to come, the price have to come and test 9 AMA, close to 9 AMA, and then you can risk of 9 AMA. It's way better setup. Neo, guys, Neo is getting ready for the break. Neo is setting up. XPEF. XPEF is awesome. Looking interesting. LTR testing pre-market low. See what's gonna happen with PDD, guys. Keep in mind, you're shorting a strong name. Neo is a piece of garbage. Look at this, what it's doing. Losing some levels. Let's see if it's gonna be a fake breakdown, and we will continue to grind higher. PDD just non-stop. Can do the pullback here, guys. PDD not coming to 9 AMA. I can't jump in on this short. It's against the risk rules. So let's wait for the pullback. So it's going to be the prior pivot point right here, the bounce, 133.35-ish. We can risk VWAP. Watch out, PDD. SPY feel like it's gonna lose it. Again, putting these sandwich candles. Red candle, green. Now it's another red. Don't trust SPY, whatever he's doing. Come on, PDD, do a normal pullback. It's not doing it. It's not doing it. It's not doing it. Hope you guys took it. This was a pretty good trade, right? PDD. Pretty good one for reversal. All right, a plug also reversing. So SPY has double support there at 355. I don't know if they're going to provide liquidity for potential bounce. All right, PDD, what are you going to do? Can we bounce on this name? Neo, this one is testing the low. I don't like this pullback, complete garbage. It easily can go lower and test lower prices. So if it's gonna lose low of the day, I will be out. So my stop, I'm mitigating my stop low of the day right here. Let me see PDD, back to PDD. The minor pullback, but you gotta see the touch of 9, at least something close to 9. Can't just like do this. All right, I'm out on Neo. Everything's selling off, kind of, you know. Looking like shit. POTR keep leaking. Let's see if it can find some bounces at some point. Look for reversals. But this is just too much selling without pullbacks. Momentum just continues to go. Light slowly settling down here into the prior level. New, it's not much. The super high volatility, guys. Like I said, it's gonna be inside the range day. You see IVM, Qs, SPY so far inside the range. We can't find the direction. We can't find the move yet. It's so far it's a choppy price action. Plug putting reversal, a little bit of reversal candle of 22. XPF, nice bounce of 85.62. You guys got a level of XPF 85.63-ish. Seems like pre-market level. PDD, can you pull back? Here you go. Finally close to 9 EMA PDD, guys. See what's gonna happen. It's overextended. Even now, it's overextended for me to short because we just dropped 138 to 138 bucks. Is it smart to short now? Fucking not. So don't be one of those guys who's like, oh yeah, it's time to short now, full size. Maybe one position, putting on a little bit here. You got to be risking above 9 EMA. In these conditions, market looks like selling off, guys. Come on, and lie. Really? Everything pulling back. What a garbage. Price action. They can't hold at the highs. F. Let's see what this guy's gonna do. Names I'm gonna check. Workhorse, guys, setting up for a squeezer. I think Workhorse slowly setting up for a squeezer. 1935-ish. I'm making more on Workhorse. I think we're coming in for a squeeze. It's gonna be 1945 breakout. I think towards 20. Could be something here. Getting into the breakout, so be aware of that. Gotta clear this area and the momentum. I want to see momentum really coming in on Workhorse and push towards 20 bucks. Here you go. PDD just a very, very nice short from 134, but now I can't chase it. You can see, I'll show you later. It's beautiful, beautiful short on it. I just can't chase it right now. I would love to participate in that. All right, Workhorse, can you pull the trigger here? I see some orders at 1950, 1945. Keep in mind, it's a double top right now. We have some resistance overhead. It's definitely popping on scanners right now. NEO slowly going sideways. Watch this name and testing the prior day levels. It's going sideways. It's easily can do something here. All right, here's NEO, guys. NEO setting up for another leg up. Seems like you got 45 bucks resistance. NEO setting up for the bounce here. You got 15 minutes play on NEO. Workhorse, piece of garbage, pushing down. Oh, come on, man. Workhorsers, make its mine. All right, you got bounce on NEO, you got bounce on LI, you got bounce on XPEF. Looking good. Plug also putting some bounce here. Overall direction, still bullish on all of these names. IVM seems like finding bounce from 170.60. Let's see what market's gonna pull. I want to see markets going above VWAP. I want to see markets going above VWAP and putting another consolidation at VWAP and leg up. Look at this name, so beautiful. You technically could put a short position. Like, remember what I said? Wait for the 9 EMA. But it's still very, very, what's ATR on this name? This is like 138 to 138 bucks already. It's a full ATR pretty much. I don't know. But 9 EMA, the key. Wait for the 9 EMA and short from there, boom. You got a leg down, and I don't know. I would be partial indefinitely. It's just super overextended to the downside, waiting for the bounce or something like that. But that's how you wait for the ed. Ideal first entry right here for the breakdown. Maybe add more right here. And then this is the third entry All right, Neo squeezing. Got XPF squeezing potential. Eventually, at some point, 15 minutes, candle over candle. It's already happening. You can see a lie as well. Workhorse putting a bounce here, looking good. I like the volume coming in on a bounce here, providing support. Let's see what they're gonna do. I think the potential breakout might come in soon. What's Nicola doing? KLA. And KLA, not much. All right. PDD. That's how we get FOMO. Look at this. Look at this name. All right, Workhorse. Again, guys, Workhorse, watch out. 1950 break, Workhorse. Then we have easy 20 cents upside. And then most likely we even gonna break 20 bucks. Pretty nice engulfing on SPY, 5-minute engulfing, guys. I think market wants to do bullish play today. So we above VWAP. IVM doesn't look like that. Small caps not, but SPY and Qs close above VWAP, so they gotta stay there, consolidated that level. Provide potential. As of right now, it's a super high volatility on both names, Qs and SPY especially. It's every candle, it's just up or down, the same price where it came from. And direction so far on 5 minutes, it's a down slope. Let's see if finally they push and hold that VWAP. We can go there. So NEO, I like NEO, guys, for a long. We're coming to this important level, 45. Let's see if we're gonna reject, pull down, build a high low, and go from there. Oh, we're gonna break, pull back, test 45. The price is getting squeezed here, guys. It's getting on a squeezy type of deal. PDD, what are we doing here? PDD, potential bounce. I don't trust average volume. All right, NEO, boom, here you go. So I'm not trusting yet. I mean, this thing can fly pretty quick, but ideally you want to see retest of the level. You want to see confirmation that, okay, yeah, here's the confirmation. Okay, yeah, we're doing what we're doing. Because market putting another candle down. Look at this. This is complete garbage. You got down, up, down, up, down. It's like, what are we doing? Chess, playing chess here. So I think market so far looks weak. Everything looks weak so far. But if they're gonna pull it back another green candle, it's just again tells you how volatile this market and undecisive in certain extent. See, pushing back right now. So let's see what's gonna happen. On a minor time frame, we're definitely putting high low right now, but this is nothing. This is nothing. It's just a 1 minute. The second minute didn't even close. Ideally, that would be beautiful if we'll start doing that. All right, this one finally settling down for another leg up. I'm talking about NEO. Watch out, LI and XPF too. This one testing. The reversal, it makes sense towards 132 for a reason that it's super overextended to the downside. I'm not trusting it because VPA analysis, it's not confirmed. You want to see reversal stopping volume. It's not there yet. So this one, gotta make its mind too and start squeezing above this 1940 Otherwise, it's gonna roll over and put another indecision candle in another indecision day. All right. Looking pretty good right now, better than before on names like Ally, Neo, XPEF. $30-minute candle is about to open right now. 30-minute candle. PDD actually pretty crazy bounce was getting squeezed. That's why you kind of have to be aware of taking partials. PDD, you got XPEF, you got Neo. So I do like all of these names. So let's see if we can find some opportunity on Neo entering 4 right upside. You got a workhorse about to break right now. They gotta pull the volume there, guys, on workhorse. And plug is also really nice, breaking the range. As you can see, plug, you do the range right now, right here, the breakout of the range, change of direction, change of the character for the stock. All right, so LI looks interesting. Let's see if LI gonna hold this 2720. And 2720 hold on LI. Play from there. All right, pulling back now. Directions most likely we're still in the range. We made a high pivot point, lower pivot point now, lower high as of right now, but holding the 9 EMA. XPEF looking bullish to me. I mean, LI less bullish to all names. So plug guys squeezing. I like Neo putting on a trade. Guys, I like Neo putting on a trade for the breakout. I like Neo putting on a trade for the breakout. 45.50 bottle, 45.25. You got XPEF coming in for the breakout right now. Seems like Neo setting up, guys. Neo setting up for a move higher. All right, I'll put a Neo for the breakout, high of the day. Let's see what's gonna happen. I do like what we see here, consolidation on the high, but they gotta pull the trigger here. All right, 45, 40, you got a big orders piling, 45.60, boom, Neo. Testing here, but let's see the tester, 45.64. Can we break this level? Can we break it? 45.64. I do like what I see here. LI and the other names and Workhorse guys breaking this wedge. Workhorse, watch out, Workhorse. All right, Neo testing high, looking good. Testing high, looking good. XPEF is also, guys, finally finding direction, seems like. Finally, volume comes in on Neo. PDD coming and testing this 133.75-ish right now. Could be interesting tester there. All right, so workhorse, new high 46 on the way. And XPEF, guys, coming and testing right now, 37.65. It's freaking nuts. Shell. Workhorse squeeze. Bam. I told you. Watch out, workhorse. 1950 tester. Sure is gonna eat garbage right now. Above 1950. If the buyer's gonna pop up on this one, it's also moving with other electric cars. The squeeze gonna be pretty good one. But definitely you want to see nice volume coming in, and so NIO, let's see what's gonna happen here. New high, we have no resistance overhead on NIO. We can run anywhere we want. So XPEF, guys, XPEF, I'm almost hitting my target, XPEF. XPEF is almost hitting my target. We got plug. Plug is also about to squeeze right now. Got a little bit reversal putting it here. So minor setup. So I'll stick at it, guys. I'll stick to this and let it grind. NIO. Have nothing to say about this name. It's freaking crazy. Plug is amazing too. Keep squeezing. That's why I put a plug on watch today. Amazing name. All right. Market maybe cues, maybe finding direction. Maybe, guys. Not trusting it yet. JD looking good too. NIO 46. Come on, touch me 46, NIO. And Workhorse 1950, a little bit of struggle, guys. Workhorse 1950, a little bit of struggle. Yeah, the 46. Definitely bunch of orders at 46. Workhorse seems like want to break 1950. Could be very snappy because of shorts. Might start being very scared on that name. XPEF, it's pretty gorgeous. Keep grinding. Market still inside the range. Be aware of that. Of course, I do like what we see here. This consolidation on a high 1950. They got to pull the strings here and buyers step it up, and we can squeeze towards 20 bucks. All right, new potential bounce of 9 and 20. 9 EMA coming on the way. Pullback can be really healthy. Some other names. JD. Beautiful. I told you 120 is going to be a big number for Apple. Above 120, long-term investors start piling. They probably pile right now for 120 break. I'm a super long bias 120 and higher on Apple. All right, PDD guys, putting a bounce. Finally, this area of resistance becomes support. PDD guys, I think this is bullish name. Be aware, it's sold pretty nasty, and then but this level pivot point, it's a minor. but now we're consolidating. It provides some confirmation of the level here. So it's not exactly to the point, but watch out. See maybe NEO 9 EMA bounce, guys. Again, they're gonna play this 9 EMA many times. I feel like just for the bounces on all of these names. Okay, IVM through the roof, guys. IVM, buff you up, squeeze the small caps, SPY squeezing too. All right, so here's NEO. Here's Workhorse, finally. Made its mine. Show us the money, Workhorse, $20. Show us the money. WKHS. NEO is a little bit heavy here. No volume confirmed yet. Being super heavy. Yeah, but all of these names like XPF and NEO made a pretty nice run just right now based on the 1 and 5 minute setups. Here you go, Workhorse. Hope you guys enjoying that call out on Workhorse. All right, NEO. I want to see tester 46 and higher and break out on this name at some point. Workhorse about to go parabolic now. Setting up at least. There's no volume there yet, but it's set up. I like that setup. Workhorse, guys. Now we can mitigate our risk towards 1919 and $20. That's an area. Got plug, continues to grind. So there are a few red names, the only 2 red names on my list. It's Starbucks. Still doing its thing. I just don't like this. And SPWR. Okay, SPWR still in play. Starbucks, unfortunately, not doing what I wanted. I'll see. I'll wait on S-Box. See what it's gonna do there. All right. Workhorse. All right, 1966. XPF pulling down. I really want to see nice pullbacks on all of these names, consolidation and another leg up, and the market finally running to the upside. Okay, 1970 right now, coming on Workhorse. 1970. You see how price skipping L2? Very snappy. Again, this is indication of shorts being scared, getting out, and stuff like that. So here you go, 1975. Smart area, take off some of the table there, 1975. All right, NEO tester again. Let's see what it's gonna do on NEO here. 4620, another tester. I do like it, but I will be smart. I'll take off some of the table on NEO. Don't be greedy. XPF. I'm gonna take some of the table on XPF too. LI, we're coming into the prior high. You see the level, this is my target. I'm gonna take some of the table as of right now. I'll see how well we're gonna do here. I'm in a freaking green, and that's good. Where's workhorse? More concerned about workhorse. What are we gonna do here? 1990. Let me see the squeezer. $20. If we're gonna clear 20, oh boy, we're gonna fly to the moon. Okay, I actually missed spies the high of the day, and Q's about to clear the high of the day, guys. Pretty green today. We're going pretty green. So, and PDD finally testing that VWAP. As you can see, PDD testing VWAP and another leg. You got to be buying close to VWAP on that name. All right, 992 tester. So $20. Let's see what we're gonna. $20. Big orders, guys, on workhorse. You got huge orders on workhorse. $20. Okay, you got piling on beats too. So this can snap down pretty quick too. For me, target is $20. So I mean, like, workhorse a 2R target. So it's coming right now, $20, and I'll be piling of this trade probably. I mean, $20. If we're gonna clear 20, we have room to run for sure. I'll see what we're gonna do around that area, but I think it's gonna be toppy, and we're gonna pull back pretty bad. Don't be greedy. I think $20. It's a nice area when we can get out. See, it's getting toppy already. Yeah. Getting toppy, overextended. To writing, but here you go. So almost touched 1999. You got 20 huge orders sitting there. I want to see if we're gonna fly through 20. Could be pretty good one. We're gonna fly through 20. Watch out, Neo, this sideways consolidation. If we start doing this quite some time, this is gonna be very strong for another leg up, guys. All right, 20. Show me the 20. Look at the 20. Not yet. We're not printing on a 20 yet. 1999. I want to see prints. I want to see bids going to 1999. Guys, we're getting close on workhorse. Here you go, printed higher. Take off some of the table there. Workhorse, $20. Show me the buyer stepping. I don't see much there, but there we're printing new highs here. Short's getting squeezed, $20. Very nice, guys. You got the same idea on XPath. LI a little bit, but LI also doing this pullback right now to prior pivot point. I'll show you in a second. This one, $20. Right, I'm out completely. It's my target. Again, respect your targets. Next time you want, and you're gonna lose. All right, this is too much of a pullback. What the fuck? Come on, man. What kind of dump is this? So LI, it's in my target. Yeah, LI, it's in my target, and XPath is in my target, guys. All of these names. So let's see what we're gonna do. So I do like LI. As you can see, you got this level pivot point. Now we kind of playing around with this high. There's potential area of a bounce. So I don't like this sell-off on Neo. Again, coming to this pivot point. Easily can go down back to where it came from. All right, so also JD, check it out. JD continues to grind, hit my target. JD hit my target. Oh, here's a common question: are you holding? Or are you trimming some position? Take it off 50% on JD. He hit my target. Be smart. Right, Neo, you gotta kind of. I think it can sell more. Honestly, it looks slightly heavy. This sell-off on a nice volume. Again, what are we seeing in Neo? See the pop back. How we gonna react here? So far, it's a 20 EMA hold. Let's see if we're gonna reclaim 9 EMA. But overextended on our other time frames for sure. All right, what's time? 7:10. So since this is a day trade for me, I'm gonna pile off of this trade. This is day trade for me. The swing, I already actually took it off the table. It did my target, the high right here. I was swinging from here, risking here, 1 hour, boom, boom, $100. But then I had one loss. That was a loss on this one. So gave back $100, pretty much made $100 back here. So for the other names, here's Workhorse. Exactly, you gotta protect your profits. So other names like XPEF, hitting my target right now on XPEF. I took off some of the table. Yeah, it's getting toppy here, guys. XPEF is getting toppy. I'm gonna close my position before the dump. That was a swing intraday towards the target. LI at my target, as you can see, 2R, almost 2R. The goal is 1R. Unfortunately, losing this pivot point right now to 90. I think it can flash back lower. This name looks interesting. Same as XPEF. I think they all have potential to grind higher at some point. JD, why JD pulling back? But I'm not sure with the market. You know, we got in higher on the market. My goal for the swings, it was intraday swings for the 1-2 day hold max, because this market is just, you know, it could gap down today and I could be underwater. So LI, I'm gonna get out as well. It's in my target, exactly what I planned. He did this. So, and I'll go position by position, see what's going on. SPWR, unfortunately, it's not doing what I want. With the market being strong, SPWR pulling down, I'm pretty surprised. Thought we actually can pull the trigger here and push higher. So watch out, and yo, if we're gonna put this consolidation 45.60, which is right now bouncing, it has all potential to move higher. Same applies to LI. They both look interesting. Plug also coming to 23 to test. All of these names look actually very juicy. Same as PDD. So on this name, I'm probably, let me check, S-Box as well. Starbucks also not doing what I wanted. I'm gonna bail on Starbucks. I think, well, it's doing sideways action as of right now. Came back to this level. I think it's easy, can drop the low dollar with this market. flags pulling. Okay. Roku, pull back as of right now. Piton is good one. Piton is the one that works. I'm gonna leave Piton. It's a beautiful PDD. I closed Neo. I already closed as mRNA, guys. Gapping up higher. Looking interesting. LI closed. JD. Oh, JD I closed already. The pullback here, it's pretty nice. JD, again, look at this target, hitting my target, take it over the target. I have some on JD left. A few seconds, let's see. Yeah, JD can pull back down back to 82 and some change for sure. So FSLY guys, swing, boom. Love it, enjoy it. I hope you guys love this swing. It's beautiful. It can be a longer hold. Exas, I took this swing long too. It doesn't work as I wanted. DKNG, it's also slow. EHPH is not working as of right now, and might even lose it this level right now. I do like Apple, but looking toppy, guys. Apple looking toppy for 120 break. Honestly, let me look at the market. I think if we're gonna put it some indecision candle here, we can go for another leg down. So exception to the rule could be Piton. He does look interesting. Okay. Right. I'm bailing on some trades, guys. I'm bailing on some trades. They really not following my rules. Roku is still in play. Gonna leave it. Piton still in play for the swing. mRNA still in play for the swing. JD at my target. FSLY still in play for the swing. Exas still in play as well. Let's see what they're gonna do today. Maybe end of the day I can bail on this. So this one, EHPH, I don't like it. Seems like we have some resistance from the prior days, 122. I'm gonna bail on this. $1 loss, no, not a problem. DKNG, I don't like how they do this too much really. Consolidation. Why they can't do like FSLY, cleaner and better move? Well, not every stock is the same, right? So all right, so DKNG, I'm gonna leave it for now. See how they're gonna play out. Apple, I think it might reject 120. Honestly, I think it could be a potential there. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna do a video recap of the trading today and swings. Okay. Hey everyone, this is Dennis, aka Stock Operator. I'm gonna do a quick recap of today's trading, day trades and swings. Looking good as of right now, up $432 and have another $300 on the table for the plays. So for the day trading, let's start with PDD. That was a nice setup for the wedge breakout to the upside, buying at Viva, but unfortunately, the flag just moved. You see, once the pattern breaks, you got to respect your patterns. You got to respect the psychology behind the play. You got to bail on it, and exactly what I did. But what I didn't do, I didn't reverse. I was kind of like, should I do it or not? And this was a beautiful short, really by the book. Then technically could short of 9 AMA, risking 9 AMA. And we called it in a room. We called it everything. We even called this bounce. So, and we even called this prior pivot point, we're testing, pulling down the pullback small to move up. You could play long here, PDD. It's pretty strong name. All right, let's see what else we traded today. So Workhorse. Workhorse was a beautiful short squeeze. Not only I had a swing on this name, fortunately it's not showing the swing, but swing from the prior day. I also added for the squeeze, and as you can see, $20 was my target. 2R not only on the swing but also on this play. So just be smart, make a couple $100 and get out. So no need to be greedy. Respect your target, especially this is a prior level $20. It might run, it might set up for another leg up. So another name we traded today. Well, first of all, as you can see, LI closing on a swing position from the prior day. It has more room to run, but again, I'm respecting my targets. It did more than 1R, it did 2R. This was my stop, this was my entry, this was my target, and now this is another target. Pretty much I'm golden on this name, making $155, risking 75. So can't complain, right? 2R. S-Box, Starbucks, I bailed on this trade on swing. It didn't work, unfortunately. mRNA, I'm still in this position, target towards 94. As you can see, my stop is right here, entry, so aiming for 1R and some change. LI, I took off, did I take off everything? Yeah, I took off everything on LI, $150, win. Beautiful exas, still holding this position. See what's gonna happen. This consolidation, I like the price coming back above this 122. We kind of like inside the bullish channel right now, the top side. Potentially we can push higher. Let's see what's gonna happen, guys. DKNG still holding this swing. The stop on this name, I believe this is the stop, 38.13. We kind of like in the entry, not going much. I'll wait for the end of the day and see. The goal was seeing the same action like on FSLY. So XPEF hit my target. You see me taking off, two position off. Like I said, it has room to run, fine, but the entry, the stop, the target, you got 2R on the name, almost 2R. Again, $140. You can see slightly less than 2R. NEO swing worked well. This gave back the swing profit and pretty much got money back on NEO. Ended up being $37 plus on NEO. SPWR, I don't like the setup setting here. Stop was right here. I wanted to see confirmation and pretty much move higher. I get out because it's putting the leg down. Always can re-enter. Always can re-enter on swings and day trades later, guys. Roku, I'm still holding for a long. My stop 217, but again, usually after runs, it started doing chop price action and even make new lows. I'll see end of the day if it's not gonna perform what I wanted. I'm gonna bail on this name. So FSLY, beautiful swing. Looks like it worked really nice. Stop is right here, entry right here, target 82.55. This is about 2R. So this could be first initial target on FSLY, and it's about $100, but aiming for the higher profit. Piton, I do like this, again, swing. The goal now coming to 90 MA, I think. But my goal is towards 115. Let's see what it's gonna do. Entry, stop, target. Apple, I'm in, testing 120, goal to break 120. This is my entry, this is my stop, pretty wide, the pivot point. This is my target 125 and the higher 1R, nothing huge. This one I bailed. You can see me getting out on this name. It's not exactly doing what I wanted, especially when the market and some other names kind of like pushing higher. I want to see faster resolution. You always can get in on the name JD. I still have, I took it 50%. I have 50% on the table. Very strong name. Let's see what it's going to do around $90. and maybe gap up higher and completely reclaim all of these highs. JD, very strong name. Stop now at the break even to protect profits. That's it, guys. Hey, make sure you join our Discord room, guys. It's freaking free. We make calls day in, day out here, day trades, swing trades, a lot of live streaming coming in, as you can see, streaming the screen. A lot of professional traders, new traders coming in to learn. We have lots of different groups, education here. FYI class coming on Saturday about SEC reading. It's at 6 p.m. What time is it? Pacific time. No, 6. I'm sorry, 9 p.m. Pacific time, which is, sorry, 6 p.m. Pacific time, 9 p.m. Eastern time. So follow us on guys Twitter and join the Discord room. Thank you so much and have a good day. Trade safe. All right, guys. I just did a recap. We're gonna post these videos and stuff like that. It's better trading day to day for sure, especially with the swings. I gotta wrap it up and go to work. Trade safe, trade smart, and Rapid gonna take a charge from here. Take care, guys.